3, 2, 1.
Which phrase meaning God and my right is the official royal motto of the UK? The answer is A. De et mon droit. What year was the first computer programmed? The answer is A. 1940. 12x2 plus 6/42 equals what? The answer is A. 26.25. Which word refers to leotard-like undergarment that has snaps at the crotch? The answer is D. Bodysuit. What state is Peggy Hill originally from in the King of the Hill series? The answer is A. Montana. Which of these could only be found inside a plant cell? The answer is B. Chloroplasts. The city of Gainesville has a law requiring chicken to be eaten only with the hands. What U.S. state is Gainesville located in? The answer is D. Georgia. In basketball, what is the name of the person who tries to score points by shooting a ball through a hoop? The answer is A. Center. Which of the following is a similarity 20 between X-ray waves and sound waves? The answer is A. Both transfer energy. Who are the two contestants in the finals during Season 1 of Flavor of Love? The answer is C. Hoops, New York. Who wrote the Batman comic books The Dark Knight Returns and The Killing Joke? The answer is C. Frank Miller. Which organ filters blood in the body? The answer is C. Kidney. Found in cord blood and other sources, what kind of cells hold the promise of renewing and repairing body tissues? The answer is C. Stem cell. Which TV show features a dragon named Viserion? The answer is A. Game of Thrones. Which Norse goddess ruled over love, beauty, and fertility? The answer is B. Freyja. Which stringed instrument is commonly associated with Indian classical music, has a long neck, and is played while sitting on the ground? The answer is A. Sarod. Which cable TV station briefly aired Max Headroom reruns in 2001? The answer is C. Tech TV. How often should a woman change her bra? The answer is D. Every 6 months. What does a glue stick at here? The answer is A. Paper. Who helped Theseus get out of the labyrinth? The answer is A. Ariadne. In the beginning of the 1973 film The Exorcist, an archaeological dig was taking place in what country? The answer is D. Iraq. In which order does the reactivity of halogen group decline? The answer is B. Top to bottom. Which fruit has seeds on the inside? The answer is B. Watermelon. Which of these properties of water has the greatest effect on the water cycle? The answer is B. Freezing and boiling points. Carrots are rich in which vitamin? The answer is C. What year did the Andy Griffith Show begin? The answer is C. 1960. What bodily function do the triceps help perform? The answer is B. Extend the arm. Who designed the Parthenon in Athens, Greece? The answer is B. Iktinos. What instrument do you play by striking keys with felt-covered hammers? The answer is A. Piano. Plants can reproduce sexually, and in which other way? The answer is C. Asexually. What kind of movement do planets in the solar system make around the Sun? The answer is C. Elliptical orbits. What vegetable is also called the poor man's caviar? The answer is A. Eggplant. Which search engine uses Ask as its query language? The answer is C. Google. What do molecules need to do for a reaction to take place? The answer is D. Collide. A chemical property describes the ability of a substance to undergo a specific what? The answer is A. Chemical change. What is used for writing on paper? The answer is A. Pen. The leaves of all of what type of plants have two basic parts in common, the blade and petiole? The answer is D. Flowering plants. Which school's supply is used for measuring angles? The answer is A. Protractor. What was the title of the 4-season-long TV sketch show created by Stephen Fry and Hugh Laurie? The answer is D. A Bit of Fry and Laurie. In which Danish city was Hans Christian Andersen born? The answer is D. Odense. Which molecule is a long chain of nucleotides carrying genetic information? The answer is B. DNA. What is the large flat surface used for preparing food called? The answer is A. Cutting board. Researchers have long based their hypotheses about animal phylogeny on what? The answer is A. Morphological data. The tallest mountain in the world is located in which country? The answer is A. Nepal. What is the theoretical event that began the universe often called? The answer is B. Big Bang. What was used as a form of timekeeping before clocks? The answer is A. Sundials. Which planet is mostly water? The answer is C. Uranus. What was Steven Spielberg's debut theatrical feature film? The answer is C. The Sugarland Express. Which biological process determines the probability that particular alleles will be found in any given gamete? The answer is B. Meiosis. Which fruit is known as the fruit of the dead?